Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing a video on cron tab and at commands. So the first thing we want to do is um, managing schedule tasks in Linux. So cron tabs are used for recurring jobs. We have cron tab-L, which you list your cron tab file. Cron tab-E edits your file. If you're root, you can specify a user. Your default editor is set by the environment variable that you have. So no user needs to be specified in job if you're that user that's running that actual, if you're listing your own cron tab, you don't have to put your name in there. And without using -L or -E, it will use the user that is running it at that moment. This is how it looks, a cron tab file. If you look under etc cron tab, you have the minute, hour, day of the month, and day of the week. And then on the bottom, as you can see, the format is how you have those 5 fields in the beginning, username, and the command that you want to run. And then we have the at commands, which is used for one-time commands. As you can see right here, we have ATQ, which queries current jobs, and then ATQRM, which removes the current job number. As you can see, I did a command at now 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes, it'll run this command echo hello, which this is a bad example technically. I should just touch a file or something. And as you can see, it gave it job 1, but you have to press Control D. I forgot to mention that. When you type in the command, you have to press Control D, and then it'll give you a job number. That job 1, you can query it by doing ATQ jobs. It gives you number 1, and that's pretty much it. And then if you want to remove it, like I said, put ATQRM for the job number. So that's job number 1. And now we're going to go jump into the terminal. And right now we're going to do cron tab-L. This will give me my current cron jobs. As you can see, I already have one running in here, which basically prints out job 1.text every minute. I can do LL. I guess I don't have that as a alias. So as you can see here, it's telling you at 5:15, job 1 was ran. So we can look at this cron tab really quick. We can look at it. As we can see, it's all the way on the bottom. You have the 5 fields, which is every minute, every hour, every day of the month, every day of the week. And then it says echo job 1 to, and then I was appending it to root job 1.text. As you can see right now, what I can do, I can tail -F job 1. As you can see, it ran 3 times already. So we're going to stay here for the next minute or 30 seconds to see if it'll populate a 4th one. So this tail command is just following this text file. So this is great to use if you're looking at logs and like you're looking for certain things to move around, certain states to change on your system. So using the tail command is great. So as you see, we have these 3 that's already populated in here every minute, and the 4th one should be popping up any second now. And the great thing about, yep, there it is. So that's the 4th one there, as you can see, which is pretty great. Remember, you can do -R if you want to remove a cron tab, and E to edit, and then L to list. And then remember, if you look in this directory, cron.d, this will basically list all the, the packages that you download. They have their own cron tab files or their cron files, and they'll be here. As you can see, you can do cron daily, you have a cron monthly, cron weekly, cron hourly, and your cron tab. All right, and we're doing an an at command, you can do at, and then now plus 1 minute. All right, once you type this in now, we're going to do echo at 1 at job. Roots / at job. So once you finish this, you press enter. This will be the first command that you're running, and then you do Control D. It'll give me a job number. My job number is 8. When I do ls, as you see, within a minute, it will be populating. For the job 8, what I can do to query this job, I can do ATQ. It's telling me that job 8 is running. If I want to remove it, I can do ATQ, ATRM, so at remove. But right now I'm waiting, so I'm gonna do ls again. As you can see, it's it was executed at 5:19, so at 5:20 should work. So I can do the date. As you can see, it's 5:19:03. And as you see, after a minute, it pops up the @job. And that's pretty much it for the @jobs. They're very simple. I mean, you can add them to your scripts to add minutes. You can also add like at noontime or at there's like at tea time. You can do, there's multiple ones that you can do. If you go to the man for at, right here, it tells you more information. You can queue it. That's the file. You can get, I think, V for verbose. I think that's what that one's for. You have ATQ, RM, which is removing it, and then it tells you how it specifies the form, the hour, and the minute to run at a specific time of the day. You have a lot more details. The time units right here, so it's at, and then plus, and then you put the time unit, the number of the is it minutes, hours, days, or weeks, and you put that afterwards. If the time is already passed, it will assume that it's the next day. So it's pretty much cool. You guys can look in here. It has a lot more details in terms of like moving things around. And that's pretty much it. And thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a great day.